So this little timer by Taylor has turned out to be an even better purchase than I expected. So I've been using it for a while now. I'm going to show you really quick the features and kind of go over some of the things I've been using it for. So it has both the minute and seconds here. So you just click here to set the minutes or the seconds. And then if you want to reset it because you like messed up, you just hit both at the same time. And then real quick, if you want to hear what the timer sounds like, so it's loud enough, but not so loud that it's obnoxious, so you can hear it if you're not right next to it. Also, so just again, and it'll reset to the time you last had. So if you are doing something and you want to have it like 15 minutes, and when you're done, it'll go back to that 15 minutes. But if you want to reset it to something else real quick, you just reset those two and you're back to 0 and you can start over again. So things I've been using it for. So first of all, it's great in the kitchen and it sticks really nice to the side of my fridge. Front of my fridge is not magnetic, so I stick it to the side, as you can see here. Also, and I can like see it from a little bit of a distance. I don't have to be right on top of it because the numbers are nice and big and it doesn't have a lot of glare. Like, so you can see I have lights in here, and a lot of times the glare from stuff, you can't see it. But even with the lights right on it, I can still read the numbers on it, which is nice. And you can kind of go back a little ways and still see the numbers. So they're nice and big. That's been a plus. The other thing is it runs on one AAA battery. Here on the back, open it up, one AAA battery, which it came with. It's still running on that same AAA battery several months later. So that has been fantastic. It also has a magnet. It has been strong enough for me. I've heard some people say it's not that strong. It has been great. It hasn't moved at all. It holds its own weight. So my magnet is nice and strong. The clip has also been a benefit. So I will show you here. Sometimes I want to walk around with it. I just clip it to the pocket on my pants and walk around with it. So that's nice. It also, when I'm crafting and I want to make sure that I don't spend too much time on something, I will set a timer and I can just sit it here on my craft table, or I have some magnetic areas next to it and I will stick it here off to the side. It keeps me on task, which is very important. So I am kind of regretting not getting the 2-pack because I keep taking it out of the kitchen and then I have to go grab it out of my craft area. So yes, it is great as a backup timer in the kitchen if you don't want to use, or you need more than one timer, like if your stove is in use or your microwave timer is in use. But it's also great to keep you on task for other items around the house. So if you're looking for a great just timer, and that's all it does, this is a wonderful, useful tool that I have been very happy with. And I hope that this video has helped you make a decision on whether you want to get the Taylor timer for your house also. Hope it helps.